The ESSE 1000X is a luxury cooker. Induction technology delivers a powerhouse of precision cooking with 3 independent zones. Heat is directed straight to your pan, not the surrounding surface, eliminating wasted energy compared to traditional gas or ceramic hobs. This translates to faster cooking times and lower energy bills. Experience the joy of diverse cooking styles with the ESSE cast iron hob, featuring a powerful 300-degree cast iron hot plate nestled within a large steel lampshade. This hob offers unmatched versatility and even heat distribution. The cast iron provides excellent heat retention, perfect for searing steaks or delicately simmering. The surrounding steel planchette expands your cooking surface, ideal for preparing vegetables, pancakes, or fajitas. The high thermal mass of the oven ensures constant heat. This eliminates hot spots and guarantees perfectly even baking every time. The robust cast iron door acts like a heat vault, locking in the radiant heat and minimizing oven fluctuations. The purposefully deep design minimizes heat escape when you open the door, ensuring your baking continues uninterrupted. ESSE's unique patented surround element technology bathes your food in constant heat from all sides. No need for turning. Simply place your dish anywhere in the oven for flawless results. The top oven features integrated powerful 3-kilowatt grill with an independent thermostat that allows you to optimize energy use by heating only the desired temperature without wasting power. ESSE range cookers elevate your kitchen into the heart of your home. Discover exceptional performance, timeless design, and features that make cooking a joy. Find your ESSE perfect match with our network of retail specialists. Visit esse.com to locate a dealer and view the full range of ESSE cookers.